Hey everybody, so I have a quick guess what's in the box video. The item is from Ulsa Tools, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. So as you guys know, and welcome back to the channel, as you guys know, in the intro I stated that this box is from Ulsa Tools. I have an idea what's in it. I'm not too sure, to be honest. I spoke to Mark at Ulsa Tools about a color discrepancy and on an item, and I don't know if he actually sent them to me or if he didn't, or if this is something else. But this is just going to be a guess what's in the box video. I will do an unboxing separate. Where is it? There it is. So this box is 15 3/8 long by 12 5/8 wide by 3 1/4 tall. What are your guys' guesses? What do you think is in this box from Ulsa Tools? I know that they have wrenches, they have ratchets, they have beam style torque wrenches, and all kinds of other stuff. What do you think is in this box? Let me know down below in the comments, and I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and just chilling and having, fun with me with these, guess what's in the box videos. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. I will leave a code down below for Ulsa Tools. If you guys sign up, you get 10% off of your order. I'll leave that in the description, as well as I'll leave a couple items you guys might like from Ulsa Tools in the description. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!